Now, page number 9, learners drill. There is called go swimming regularly. Their picture is given M. Drink milk before you go to bed. There is a given picture in the corner E. Then go too early in the morning. Picture K. Visit your doctor for a checkup. B number is a answer for that. Walk to school. C number. Don't use the computer for long hours. That is a J. J is given 7 numbers. 7 number. Use the stair more often. L. Eat eggs regularly. H. Eat regular. Eat eggs regular. That is corner में down part corner में first one. And it is don't eat fast food. O. Learn how to dance. P. Then don't watch too much TV. Q. Picture Q. And sleep well. H. Then go jogging every morning. D. Then play football with friends. That is R. Then go hiking at weekends. I. Do morning exercise. Q. G. Do morning exercises. G. Then ride a bicycle. It is F. Ride a bicycle is a F. So up to here understood very well. Then we come to the second chapter, subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. Subject and predicate is coming. We studied when a sentence is made, there are two parts. A sentence have two parts. Whom we say, that is called subject. Name, maybe name or something else, or a building or some natural things, whatever maybe, what is standing there in the place of the noun, that is called the subject. And what is telling about the subject, it is called the predicate. So subject and predicate we learn. Sentence has two parts. One is a subject, another one is a predicate. The noun part is called, small classes may you might have learned noun. Noun part is called the subject, rest of the things are called predicate. For example is given here, Neeraj reads a book. Neeraj is the subject here, reads a book, predicate. The sun is the subject, races in the east is a predicate. Now subject may come at the beginning or middle or at the end of sentence. It can be a noun, pronoun or words doing the work of noun. That is the tips here. Then imperative sentence, the subject is left out as go to school. Actually means here you go to school. Go to school means you go to school. Sometimes the subject may not be there, but you have to imagine that. So subject and predicate means whom we talk about, that person is called, or that thing is called the subject. What we are talking about the subject, that is known the predicate. And a sentence has two parts, subject and a predicate. Now come to the choose the correct option. A part which refers to the person or a thing we speak about is called the subject. In that sentence, the subject you is left out, that is an imperative. In a B section, divide each of the following sentence into the subject and the predicate. Barking dogs. Barking dogs is the subject here. Seldom bite is the predicate. Barking dog is the subject and seldom bite is the predicate. The little girl is playing with her toys. The little girl is the subject here. Is playing with her toy is the predicate. The girl wearing a pink frock is my sister. The girl wearing a pink frock, that is the subject. My sister, predicate. The man standing in the corner is a doctor. The man standing in the corner. Up to here it is a subject. Is a doctor is a predicate. A bad workman, that is a subject. Blame his tool is a predicate. Now exercise number C. Add predicate to these subjects. Add predicates to these subjects. Swimming. Predicate we can give. Swimming is a subject, so we can write there is a good exercise. Swimming is a good exercise. Delhi, the capital of India, so we can write Delhi is the capital of India, is a metropolitan city. Is a metropolitan city. The sun set in the west. His father is a doctor or is a teacher, is a farmer, is a shopkeeper. Anything you can write there. Some dogs were running after a cat. Some dogs were running after a cat. Now D number is telling the add subject to the predicate. Add subject to the predicate. There you can write he can speak English very well, or she can speak English very well, or I can speak English very well, or they can speak English very well. Any of the word you can write there. Any of the pronoun you can use there. The army marched through the town. The army marched through the town. The birds fly. He played well, or he, she, they played very well. They turned and ran away. He turned and ran away. She turned and ran away. Anything you can write there. Now E number is given. Match the subject with a suitable predicate. There Christopher Columbus. C number में given discovered America. Habit. A number में given is second nature. Third में given charity. Last में given E number begins at home. The sun. B number C rays in the east. Prevention. D is given is better than cure. Then F number में there are few sentence words are given. Friends, school, rich, cricket, or grandmother. Any two word you select and make a sentence your own word. I selected here cricket and written there. Cricket is a very popular game in India. Cricket is a very popular game in India. You can select friends. I have many friends. School. My school is very big or very large or near to my house. The rich man always help the poor people, or the rich should help the poor. That also you can. Grandmother, I love my grandmother, or I like my grandmother, or I help my grandmother. Any sentence you can create with 4 of these words. With this we complete the second chapter.